Hi guys, Merry Meet Magical Souls, welcome back to another magical video. I hope I'm in frame, using my phone to film this and I don't have a flip out screen. Fingers crossed, I think I got a good setup. So I went to a local, where I live in the mountains, I went to another town up here and we got some fun goodies. We went to all these cool shops guys, so be sure to check out the vlog, or this might be in the vlog, I don't know. But I went ahead and got this cool instant resin kit. This is like so magical, so witchy. I got it from like a little Tibet kind of shop. So I got like frankincense and myrrh and some other resins with charcoal discs in here. So I kind of didn't need to buy any more charcoal discs, but I got some from them too. So I got this really cool instant resin kit for such a good deal. And this is straight up from India, guys. It says right there. So all the good vibes, all natural. And from that shop, I got a garnet mala too, guys. So this is pretty awesome. And it's funny because my coworker gave me an article about the Dalai Lama the other day, and what am I doing? Getting some Buddha stuff. Nothing wrong with it. I love my Buddhas and those ascended masters, but I'm just really resonating with Goddess Nyx. And I got this Guan Yin Tarot Oracle deck too, guys, so it's really cool. It's a little Oracle deck of Guan Yin and all the cool cards. Really love it. Such a cool deck. I can't wait to work with that. Do a tarot card reading for you guys because I have so many Buddhas. I should do like a Buddha one, and that would be perfect to do. And what's in here? Ooh, we got some crystals. So when you shouldn't be buying anything, but you just wipe that credit card. Me at this trip. So I got this really cool pyrite heart. It's really magical. I love it so much, and you can see all the veins. So really awesome. Also happy to get me another heart crystal for my little heart collection. And I couldn't pass this up, guys. It was such a good deal. It's this raw piece of smoky quartz, and it's got a lot of rainbows in it, and it's up to 35 years old, up to 403 years old, so that's pretty cool. Love that cool piece of smoky quartz. And that's a good one to put in the front of your home to filter away like the negative energies and stuff from our bodies. Ooh, is this what I think it is? This is from that Tibet shop, guys. I got myself a clear quartz dorje made in India. Like, what? There's some rainbows in this one, too. It's so magical. So I didn't get the matching bell with it because it was, like, almost $50, and I was trying to save some money, but what? This is so cool, guys, to go like this, and then they ring the bell. This represents the divine masculine energy. I love it. It's so magical, and it's a clear quartz crystal, and I can use this as a vocal if I wanted to. All about intention. I just love that. So a little bit of crystal there. And then I went to this like touristy shop, and they had some crosses in it. And I saw this one on the like windowsill, and I blocked it, and I'm like, oh my god, I need this. It's so gothic, so like old school House of Night vibes, Dracula vibes, with the like little turquoise crystal on there. I'm like, this would be so cool for my witchy Halloween tree that I'm gonna have this year, guys. I just love it so much. It's just so magical. It looks like something you'd get at Michael's, but they don't always have this. Even have it on as a necklace. I like love it so much. It's so cool. And there was like a limit that I had to like buy stuff for the credit card, so I went ahead and bought another one. And this one has like the magical pentacle on there, guys, and I just love it. It looks like turquoise crystal. It's just so awesome and ancient looking, and it just totally goes with my House of Night vibes. Love it. So got some of that good energy in there. And I think I have more. Do I? Is that it? The last things I have, guys, are just some charcoals. I bought one for my mom and two for me, so I can go ahead and burn my resins on there. And I think that's all that I bought. I could have sworn I got more stuff. Am I wearing it? I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little magical witchy haul, and you enjoy the vlog, whether if this video clip is in the vlog or not. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Let me grab my little selenite wand in my little bag. Where is it at? It's in here somewhere. Here we go. So in this time and space, I call upon Goddess Nyx's divine energy from the heavens into my wand, so mote it be. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys then. Blessed be.